because I look absolutely different. I don't know, is this me or is this Beyonce? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are so welcome. In this particular video, I'm going to be doing a wig review. So I believe you guys already know this brand. I worked with them in the past. This is a wig, a gorgeous wig from Irresistible Me. You guys already know this is their logo, and I received a box like this a few months ago, and I have another gorgeous wig today to review for you guys. So let's unbox. First of all, you guys already know the drill. This is the packaging that they sent the wig in. So can you see how gorgeous? I love this, their boxes. It looks so nice, and it is perfect for storing the wigs. Like my other box I received the first wig from is still there, and I'm still using the box. So I love that you can use this box over and over to store your wig. Like for the packaging, I am really in love with this box. And then let's just open up the wig. Obviously I've already opened this wig before, but I'm just going to unbox it again right here for you guys. And yeah, taking off the lid, this is what the wig is looking like right out of the box. Like I'm taking the wig out, this is what it is looking like. So this wig is vegan fiber, but the quality is really beautiful. I really like that about the wig. It comes in, like, it has this, you know, packaging just to make sure that the, you know, the wig is as good as it is supposed to be. Like, it is really preserved. So they have this, you know, they have this thing to make sure that the shape and everything is intact. And then there's also a net, like it is like net coverings that we come with. So taking that off. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. You guys can see the quality is really beautiful. So first impression, I think this is beautiful because I really like the HD nets. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but it comes with this beautiful HD nets. So taking all this out, you can see the net like I was talking about. The net is really beautiful. Now on a second look at the inside of the wig, so there is not a lot of pattern space. Like the wig doesn't come with a lot of pattern space. That is the only thing I would say, but I still like the wig because it comes with everything. Like looking at the basic structure of, you know, a wig, it has like this 2 combs for just like, you know, clipping it and getting it into your hair. It also comes with another 2 combs in front, then 1 at the back, so making it 3 combs in total. So I really like that. But then, you know, the pattern space is not a lot, so I might not actually part this wig. I'm still thinking about it, but I don't know if I'm going to be parting the wig. But the length is just everything. I am in love with the length. This is a 32 inches wig, if I'm not mistaken. It is so long. I'm going to show you guys the length as I put it on. But yeah, looking at the wig right now, the length is everything. It is a color 1B, so it has like darker shades like black and a brown color in there. So I'm really liking it. So let's just brush out the wig just so you guys can see how long it is. 32 inches. Oh my god, this is beautiful. But let me put on the wig. Just I think I'm going to, because it has this, so it also comes with this fastening, what's this called, fastening elastic to secure your wig to your head. So I'm going to take it out just so that I can have some space to put on the wig cap, then secure it back later. So first impressions about this wig, honestly I am really loving the color and the length. I don't know if you guys can see the full length. Let me just stand up a bit. So this is the length of the wig. You guys can see it is really 32 inches, and I am in love with the color. So this color 1B, it actually has a couple of layers. I don't know if you guys noticed, but you know, it has like some layers in it, so it is not all the same length, and I really like that. So first impressions, I just put the wig on and it is already giving everything it's supposed to give, and I believe that it can take heat. If I'm not mistaken, it does say on the box that it can actually take heat. So I'm going to use, you know, some heat on it to get it together, and I might use my got2b spray to just install it a bit and then cut off the lace. So all these things I might do a bit off camera, but like, you know, let's just like get the wig together right now. So I don't really want to pluck it, but I am going to just like give it a slight swoop here. You know, the lace is not very deep, but we are just going to give it a side swoop and then see how we go from there. So I'm just going to be cutting off the lace so that we can get into everything, and I don't think I can do that with this wig on my head, so I'm just going to take it off. Okay. So I'm going to be using my hot comb to just like straighten out the swoop I gave it, and then, you know, just like give it that side swoop something. But I need to use a little bit of heat, so if you're using your hot comb, you guys, you have to be careful because you're not supposed to really use very hot heat on this hair. So okay, you guys, this is really looking good. Okay. So you guys, I'm really liking the way it is looking right now. Like everything is just coming together. Can you guys see the length and everything? So I've already given it sort of like a little bit of side swoop, even though there's not a lot of parting space. This is a vegan fiber wig, so I didn't want to use too much heat, but I think I've gotten what I want to achieve. So I'm just going to install it for a little bit. It's not a long time, but I'm going to use my Got2b to just like spray it down, and then, you know, just like tie that down for a little bit. So guys, this is the finished look. Are you guys feeling this week? Because I look absolutely different. I don't know, is this me or is this Beyonce? I'm not really recognizing myself right now, and I think you guys would agree. Am I not looking different? Because this is really looking different on me, and I think it looks absolutely nice. Can you guys see? This wig is really giving everything. Like, I actually wanted to use a flat iron on it just to, like, you know, get everything together, but honestly I'm really liking the way it is looking right now. Even this two color combination is really matching my skin tone. I just feel like I look so different, and I am loving this wig. Like, you guys, can you guys see the way everything is just looking? Oh my god, it is just giving everything it is supposed to give. Like, the wig is absolutely gorgeous, and if you're interested in getting this wig, you can check my description box because I have a discount code for you, which should be on screen right now. But you can also check my description box to get a link to this hair. Let me just stand up a little bit so that you guys can actually get a look at the length of this wig. the only person seeing this? What is going on here? Am I looking different or am I not looking different? Like, is it me or is it Beyonce? That is the question we should all be asking right now. Okay, so this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Irresistible Me, for sending me this beautiful wig. Like, there's just so many instructions about how to care for your hair at the back of this box, so I really like it. I've already said all these things in the previous wig review that I did for Irresistible Me, but honestly their wigs are so beautiful. I'm still rocking my other wig, but this one came in. I just had to show you guys what it is giving and how it is looking. So since I got this wig, this is the first time I'm actually like installing it and everything. But honestly, I am really loving everything about this particular wig, and there are so many ways to style it. And I think this is the first actually very straight wig I've ever had. Like, usually I'm a fan of coils and, you know, waves, but honestly this is really nice. I didn't even know that it was going to suit me to this point. Like, you guys can see, I really like the side swoop. Let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, don't forget to check my description box for more amazing deals from this company, because you can get 10% off with my discount code, which should be on screen. You can check my description box right now to see the link to this hair, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.